YouTube, what is going on? All my beautiful people, it's your boy Stealth, and today I'm back with another vlog for you guys. Today, I don't even know, man. It's like 40 degrees in Jersey right now, bro. Today is March 23rd, and it's 33 degrees in Jersey. Oh, dang, I just leaked the location, didn't I? Oh, damn. But today we have I got an interesting vlog for you guys. We're gonna be working on my dad's RCF. If you are new to the channel, this is my father's 2018 Lexus RCF. And there's not much done to it right now. X-pipe, upgraded suspension, carbon all over. And today we're going to be adding something on really quickly this morning. And that is this cold air intake right here. So we do have an event to get to with this thing, so I'm gonna get everything set up and I'll show you guys some parts here and there, but I gotta move quickly. So yeah, I don't know if you guys know, but this does have a 5-liter naturally aspirated V8, as you can see. So we've already got the carbon cover off that goes right here. So first I began with just moving these up and out of the way to release some tension on right here. And then I don't know if you guys could see, but I'm gonna have to get in here with a Phillips head screwdriver. I've already began unclipping where the old filter goes and removing some of the old piping that's in the way. But yeah, so now we got this pulled up, this bolt loosened, this Phillips head loosened, this sensor's popped out, filters unclipped. I don't see any reason why we shouldn't be able to slide this thing out. So I don't know if you guys can see right here, we got it removed, but this right here is still stuck on. There's 2 very small clips. So I'm gonna take some needle nose pliers and push that right through there. So now we got that whole thing removed. We're gonna go ahead, grab up our new Takeda intake. And you guys know the deal. This needs to be in there. We got it installed, as you guys can see, clipped up to the throttle body fine, and we got it on the OEM airbox just fine. It all mounts up. They actually have a relocation mount for the mass airflow sensor under here. You guys can't really see it, but everything's clamped down. Breather tubes are put back in place. You have to relocate these from the top to the right and then the left. And then, yep, that's it. Everything's reinstalled. We got the carbon airbox cover, the engine cover, and the new intake. So I'm gonna get this started up for you guys and get you guys a cold start sound clip. I don't know if you guys have ever seen my shop. Well, this is my garage, but it's my shop. But we'll do a walkthrough of this later on. You're gonna see a lot more of this summer. That's all I got to say. So just hang in there, but you'll see a lot more of this. Ignore this. I know y'all gonna have some stuff to say about this. Here it is in the sun. We got it detailed yesterday. This thing looks good, man. This thing looks good. Make sure this intake is on properly, nothing shaking around. All right, we all good. Keep that closed, wipe this down a little bit, and then we'll be in the car on the way there. All right, you guys. It's a different feeling from the G8, man. It's a little bit upgraded. We got red guts, sport modes. I got a sport mode, kinda, but it's a big upgrade from the G8, man. Come on. It started at 9. It's now, 1 second, I got you guys. Here we go. It's now 9:37, and I don't know why, but it's 35 degrees in Jersey right now. It's been 60 all week, and it's freezing. So hopefully we don't gotta end up parking, too far. I wanted to get parked close up to the shop, but yeah, we got like a 15-20 minute drive, so nothing crazy. I'll get back to you guys when we get a tad bit closer. You hear that? Woo-hoo-hoo, this junk sound good, boy. Okay, you might have, yo, guys, if you don't know, it's an ongoing inside joke that when my dad mods his car, he gets more respect from me. So you got a little more respect from me today, you guys. Nah, this thing sounds good with that intake, bro. Nah, we should have been done this.
I got kids.
I got kids. It's crazy. I miss my car, yo. I miss my car, yo. Like, dang, bro. Little downshift.
What's wrong with you, nigga? I'm outside with them M's, nigga.
Yo, we just installed this intake on my dad's car. I'm doing a POV. This junk sounds great. He at Bimmer United, yo. We gonna make it out to one of those meets when the GA back up.
Well, let me hear it.
We about to be pulling up. We like 2 minutes away. I hope this is a good turnout, man. This is my boy. I'm really good friends with the owner of the shop, so this is his first ever meet here, and he's throwing a Cars and Coffee because they just bought the location actually. Last year, they did a complete rebrand, redid the shop and everything. It's called Pal's Automotive in Piscataway, New Jersey. You guys got to check them out. Really good people, man. You tell them Mike sent you, and they will take care of you, for sure. All right, you guys, we got the RCF parked up, man. We parked it next to, I'm not sure who this is, but it's a nice M4. But yeah, we got this thing parked up. We did detail this last night, but look at this Evo. Look at that. I think it's pristine.
No, my car don't want pictures.
Yeah. That's yours? God. Leave, bro. What's going on, man? Yo, this is a turnout, bro.
Yeah.
It's a turnout, bro.
Good.
Look at these Porsches, man. You setting goals for me, man. Come on. I'm not gonna be able to afford these if I keep blowing my money here, bro. This is the goal right here, y'all. This is the goal. I gotta get monetized and run my money up so I can get something like that. This is the spot. If you're in Jersey and you need detailing equipment, Pal. It's the inside, as you guys can see. It's my second home. Lambo heading out. Can't beat that 5.2 V10, bro. This is pretty, yo. What is this, a S650? This is pretty. What do y'all think about getting one of these? I have an opportunity to buy one of these and build it for the channel. That's all I'm gonna say. What do y'all think about these? Let me know in the comments what you think about the supercharged S4s. What are they?
I've never seen a gated before.
Stance. These look good. LC 500, E46, C63. This Elantra N right here, y'all. I hear it at every Jersey meet. That thing is crazy. This yours?
Yeah.
No, this thing is.
Appreciate you, man. It's a wrap. I gotta send it back because I got a little bit of bubbling.
That's
so
all right.
I gotta rewrap everything.
That's why I'm scared to get wrapped, bro.
Yeah.
I'm scared to get wrapped, man.
I'm OCD, so I'm like, nah.
No, yeah, I know exactly how you feel. I don't want a single panel out of place, none of that, man.
Yeah.
This thing is gorgeous though,
Thank
bro.
you, man.
What y'all think about these? I like these. The market on these came down a lot. My next car, man, I'm gonna break the internet. I gotta break the internet with the G8 first though, yeah. This thing is pretty, man. I'm telling you, bro. If you get one of these, you can't mod these things, bro, at all. You just gotta drive it like it is. That's the beauty in these cars, bro. No, Amita out there, one of those big RWB kits on it. Wide body this thing. Yeah. I think it's clean. Nah, that's clean. I like those wheels for my car too. A lot of people run those, the V2 wheels. A lot of people run those. Nah, what do you guys think about this? I don't know. Next car, that's coming maybe the end of this year, early next year, man. Get a second car for the channel. Y'all give me the 10K, I'll get another car. It's my deal with you guys. Mopar doing Mopar things. Y'all, I'm not a Mustang guy, but this right here, this thing is gorgeous, bro. This M340, this color, I think it's called like lavite gray or graphite gray or something like that, I forget, but this thing, it's a great 2-car lineup right here, in my opinion. I wonder how this thing sounds. And a random Cybertruck that cuts everybody off. I don't know if you guys can see, but it is 36 degrees in New Jersey right now. Look at the weather. And we went from 60s and 70s to freaking back into the 50s for an entire week, yo. It's 36 degrees outside. This is inhumane. Look at that TTRS though. I love those.
What's supposed to be
That thing is gorgeous, bro. Look at this, bro. Oh my gosh. That GT3 is pulling out. That thing is gorgeous, man. R32, Jesus. No, this is a crazy 3-car lineup right here, bro.
I appreciate
Been here for about an hour. It's extremely cold and I gotta go get started on some work, so we're about to head out. T5B, black wing. It's fast, but is it really smoking the G8? What y'all think, bro? Let me know in the comments. Cam G8 versus this. All he's gonna see is just a silver Pontiac G8, just like this. You see tail lights. Ain't that right, big dog?
No, sir.
We get a little 60 hit. Dang. The G8 is gonna be back soon, man. Mark my words, bro. We smoking this thing. This gonna be the first race y'all see when my car is back up. Soon as my car is tuned and I go past the braking period. What's my braking period? What's my braking period? He's locked in right now, yeah. All right, you guys. We made it back home. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, man. I'll be dropping some more for you guys soon. I know that's not my normal type style or speed vlog, but hope you guys enjoyed this. If you want to see more content like this, you already know what to do. I don't got to say it. Like, subscribe, all of that. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.